The noise reduction barrier. Interactive calculator helps engineers determine the acoustic performance of noise barriers between sound sources and receivers. The calculator has 6 calculation modes in a drop-down menu: calculate insertion loss, calculate Fresnel number, and calculate required barrier height. Calculate path length difference, calculate sound pressure level at receiver, and calculate barrier efficiency factor. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate insertion loss. The input fields are frequency in hertz, speed of sound in meters per second, path length difference delta in meters, and source height in meters. Receiver height in meters, barrier height in meters, source to barrier distance in meters, and barrier to receiver distance in meters. Fresnel number N, target insertion loss in decibels, source sound level in decibels, and distance attenuation in decibels. Let's calculate with these values. Frequency 1000 Hz, speed of sound 343 meters per second, and path length difference 2.5 meters. Both source and receiver heights at 1.5 meters, barrier height 5 meters, source to barrier distance 15 meters, and barrier to receiver distance 30 meters. After clicking calculate, we get wavelength 0.343 meters, Fresnel number 14.58, and path length difference 2.50 meters. And insertion loss 24.7 decibels. The barrier status confirms the barrier provides 24.7 decibels attenuation. This tool streamlines acoustic barrier design calculations. Find the link in the description below.